make our waterfall cards. And here are the materials. First, the scissors, ruler, pencil, and glue or any kind of glue. Next is a black cartolina, but we've already cut it into a shape like square. And it's up to you guys on how many pieces you'd like to make. But for us, we've decided to make it only 7 pieces.
Next is a long cardboard covered with color black, and then a construction paper cut into square like just a little small compared to the black cartolina in order to keep like this. And last but not the least is a long cartolina, just the size of your square shaped black cartolina. So let's start.
Guys, so tala mo na niya mong finished product, and the importance of this is that magamit na to sila as elementary education or secondary education kung mag-ano ta, kung maghimo ta og kanang story kanang mag-introduce sa plot, sa mga settings, sa mga others pa kanang mga or kanang magkuan-kuan kag mga picture, ibutang na nimo dinhi, then iana nimo. Saan to? Yan na lang nimo, simply as that. Thank you, and God bless everyone.